Hey Jarvis, so I couldn't make it home for Christmas this year, but I got a book for you to read. It's called The Bear Snores On. Let's see. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawl through in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn, they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. And they nibble and they munch with the chew chomp crunch, but the bear snops on. They tweet and they twitter, and they titter, but they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes a fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair and you had all fun, and you all had fun, but me. I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pile more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That's the end of the book. Merry Christmas.